don't fuck about!
Hello, I'm Luke and I'm standing here next to the Weaver. Mikesgymm's Weaver is a little bit different than other ones that you might see at some races. This one is a bit longer and tougher. You have to go over and under and over each and every log. This will make you use your head and body coordination a lot. So let me break this down for you, because the first time I was here I could not do this one and most people can't. So I'll just give this mic away and show you step by step how to do this one. So first off, you have to jump up without use of anything else. What I suggest you do, take two hands, jump up and lean to the side to the next one. Okay, when you jump up, you're not wobbling on the one, you're securing yourself straight away. When you're sitting here facing one direction, you're gonna want to have two legs there and put your neck on the next log. This will make you have the ability to rest a little bit before you continue on to the next step. So think about it and then you move and do it. It's a very, very coordinated attack to be able to overcome this one. So the neck, come under, two hands on the log, slide down on your knees, let go of your neck, hang onto your hands. From here, you want your one foot, take the knee, put it on one over the log. The other one makes you swing a little bit. Make sure you have that swing and then you reach with your left arm over, okay? And push with the free leg that you have here into your armpit. Very important, otherwise you're not going to be able to reach with this hand over. Okay, so you want to secure yourself in the armpit and on the elbow. Release the leg that you have on the bottom log, go inside and come out and relax again. Now doing this with technique is going to make it easier, but doing it with strength is going to make it hard. So try to learn technique. You go on to the next one. I'll do a little bit more fluently this time. The neck, step number one. Okay, the neck going in, the hand, two hands on the log, coming down on your legs, one leg up over, the other one swinging you towards the next log with your arm. Push yourself with the foot into your armpit, the elbow comes on top, and then you sit on top of it. And that's how you do the Weaver. Okay, so now we will have Billy do it in a more fast way. So he goes under and reaches, and when you come to the top in the middle, that's where you have to deal with some fear of heights as well. And also when you pass that middle section, you're gonna have to deal with the gravity forces on the way down, and you might not expect that. Billy did it very well here, and yeah, good work. Hello, I'm Luke. I'm standing here at Mikesgymm's Marbella's Weaver, and this is the most technique heavy obstacle fucking hell, that we have. They're making fun of my Weaver, but anyways, so this is the most technique heavy obstacle we have on the course. This one will have you make use of your head a lot. Let's restart that, please.